A new revolution in the effective transportation of patients in emergency situations is here. The AlbacMat, your evacuation and rescue necessity. The AlbacMat is an innovative, compact and lightweight stretcher-like assembly which is used to quickly and efficiently evacuate frail, immobile or unconscious people away from potential life-threatening situations. The AlbacMat is made from customized corrugated polypropylene board with a strong lightweight canvas material weighing less than 1 kilogram. The polypropylene board acts as an insulator to the patient, absorbing any concussions while in transit. This means it will travel over all types of surfaces, including steps and rough terrain such as gravel and bitumen, with the patient safely cocooned in the AlbacMat. The board glides easily over these surfaces, as well as carpet and other indoor flooring, minimizing the effort required by rescuers to evacuate patients. All AlbacMat straps are made from first-grade seatbelt material, are brightly coloured for easy detection, and are double-stitched to the canvas for heavy weight-bearing situations. The AlbacMat has been tested to withstand up to 470 kilograms of weight. There are two sizes of the AlbacMat, standard and large. Both sizes carry the same features, with the exception of the larger being wider at the torso, having carry handles down each side, an extra securing strap and a thermal cover for greater patient comfort. The unique patented AlbacMat has been finalised over a lengthy period to ensure its suitability in all types of situations and is manufactured from materials which have been chosen for their practicality and ability to provide longer protection from fire and heat. The polypropylene board has been tested to provide maximum protection up to 85 degrees Celsius. The following instructions highlight the easy-to-use system required to evacuate patients quickly. Lift the AlbacMat from its storage position, ensuring the Velcro tab is facing you. Stand at the foot end of the bed or place of rest, keeping hold of the handle, and with a flick of the wrist, unroll the AlbacMat beside the patient. Roll the patient onto their side and ensure the AlbacMat is laid out flat behind the patient and as close to their back as possible. Roll the patient onto the center of the mat. Place the patient's feet in the foot pocket and then secure the torso with the side straps. Using the most comfortable of the 3 straps at the head end of the mat, move the patient to the designated assembly point. Once the emergency situation has passed, the AlbacMat can be easily wiped clean and rolled back up for storage and possible future use. There are 5 good reasons why your facility needs the AlbacMat. 1. Fast evacuations. The AlbacMat enables rescuers to move patients out of danger quickly and safely. 2. Occupational health and safety requirements. With correct use, the AlbacMat places no physical pressure on the rescuer, enabling them to perform multiple evacuations if required. 3. Multi-purpose. Simple and safe evacuations enable rescuers to move patients over all types of surfaces, is ideal in small areas, and is reusable. 4. Ease of use. Clear instructions are visible to all users, and the AlbacMat is simple to use, allowing untrained personnel to perform evacuations safely. 5. Life-saving. Simple and safe evacuations enable rescuers to move patients more quickly in situations where time is critical. If the AlbacMat is required, evacuations can be performed with a minimal amount of stress to both the patient and the rescuer because of its simple and effective structure. When used correctly, it places no physical pressure on the rescuer, enabling one person to perform multiple evacuations if required. For further information or to place an order for the AlbacMat, please contact Albac Enterprises on 0407 386 487 or find your local distributor at www.albacmat.com.